would say that in quickest possible time, we could bring back the city to normal and provided relief to the citizens. And now, of course, we are also now, since yesterday, the relief compensation, relief cash assistance is being distributed to the people. So the state always, the administration rises to the occasion in such kind of natural calamities. We have very efficiently, I would say that, of course, we leave it for the people to, the people who have been affected by this. But the state has done its best to bring back normalcy in Chennai.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.